Hi, today me and my mom are going to be making a Christmassy out of only 100% C-A-N-D-Y candy!
Sounds like fun, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah, well, we even put our Christmas jammies on to get us in the spirit. So you want to get started?
Let's go!
Let's go. So the first step to creating our Christmas magic is making the tree using the green sugar licorice. So you just get a pair of scissors and cut it to length and adhere it with the icing. Our next step is to create the fireplace using our caramels, the colored taffy, and marshmallows and little red candies. So to create the brickwork around the fireplace and the mantle, you're just going to take your caramel candies. It's helpful if you warm them up a little bit beforehand, maybe put them in your pocket when you're getting ready to set up and do the kit. But if you just take one piece at a time and stretch it in a rectangular shape, similar to this, and then you can form it better and place it like 3 or 4 sections on the mantle. So we're gonna lay that out and then I'll show you how to create the brick detail in a second. The way we create the brick detail is using a plastic knife. I like to start where there's already a seam of the caramel and then just step up a little bit and just create an indentation with the knife. So we do all the horizontal lines first, and then going back through, we use the other tip of the knife and alternate the vertical bricks. After you're happy with the bricks, we make the stocking, the fireplace, and whatever decorations you want to put on top of the mantle. So using the fire, you can get your colored taffy and create some texture, maybe do 1 layer of flames in the back and then a second layer so it has some dimension to it. And then you can place the marshmallows and the red candies right on top of the brick to make the stocking, and use whatever candies you would like. I'm going to actually use chocolate taffy and write the word joy up here, but you can leave it empty or do whatever you would like to do. Our next step is to create the window, but before we create the blue sky and Santa's sleigh and the magical trail he leaves behind, we're first going to outline the windows using the chocolate taffy, and that way we at least have it, the template and the lengths already created, so that after we make the window using the blue licorice, we can then place the chocolate taffy right back on in place. How are you making out, Kylie?
Good.
Good. So now we need to put the frame of our window on. Kylie and I already measured out and rolled the frame sections of the window. Now we're just going to put them in place and hope that everything comes together nicely. All right, Kylie, so now we framed the window out. I'm going to make Santa's trail with little stars around the window. Are you doing anything special in your window, honey?
No, just Uranus.
You putting Uranus in it?
Yeah.
Nice, I like it. Okay, well, after you have the stars and Uranus or whatever you'd like to put in your sky, then we are also going to create Santa's sleigh right in the corner. So you just see a little peekaboo section of the sleigh leaving off the canvas. Now, what is the fun about Christmas morning, Kylie girl?
Presents!
Yes, presents. So we're going to make presents down here at the bottom of our canvas using our snack bar. You can break it into different sections. The middle section, I'm actually going to have the present stick out a little further up, and the other 2 will be a little back to create some dimension. Once you have them shaped, you can use licorice and candy bananas to decorate the presents. So now's the fun part of where we can decorate our Christmas tree. And just like houses all over America, we all decorate them different ways. So let's see what we come up with. Sound good?
Yeah.
We're on our final step, Kylie. And this is our
Yay!
favorite step because
Yeah!
we get to hit some rock candy. So we're just gonna hit the rock candy, break it up, spread icing on all the background where we basically still see canvas, and just add a little bit of shimmer to the walls. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
So, this is our finished art.
I think it's pretty cool. How about it?
Yeah.
Yeah, this was a lot of fun. But we have other candy art that you can check out on our website or on our YouTube channel. So subscribe to see what other sweet creations we come up with. Have a holly jolly day. Bye.
Bye.